Welcome back to my kitchen faucets channel. Today, we're tackling a common bathroom DIY project, replacing the cartridge in a Delta 1400 series shower valve. If your shower is dripping, the temperature is fluctuating wildly, or you're just not getting any water at all, chances are the cartridge is the culprit. Don't worry. It's a relatively easy fix, and I'm going to walk you through it step by step. Stick around, and you'll have your shower back in perfect working order in no time. Hey there, let's dive in. Tools and materials: a new Delta 1400 series replacement cartridge, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of pliers, an adjustable wrench, a small container or towel to catch any remaining water. This is the most important step. Locate the water shutoff valves for your shower. Usually, there are two, one for hot and one for cold. Turn them both off. If you can't find individual shutoffs, you may need to turn off the main water supply to your house. Most Delta 1400 series handles are held on by a small screw, often located underneath the handle cap or behind a small button. Use your flathead screwdriver to carefully remove the screw and detach the handle. This large nut holds the cartridge in place. Use your adjustable wrench to loosen and remove the bonnet nut. Be careful not to damage it. Sometimes, these can be quite tight if it's stuck. Once the bonnet nut is off, you should be able to pull out the old cartridge. It might be a bit stubborn. You can use pliers to gently grip the stem and pull it out. Be prepared for a little bit of water to come out. Take a look inside the valve body where the cartridge was. Make sure there is no debris or mineral buildup. Now, take your new Delta 1400 series cartridge. Make sure it's oriented correctly. There's usually a small notch or marking to help you align it. Push the new cartridge firmly into the valve body until it's fully seated. Screw the bonnet nut back onto the valve body and tighten it with your adjustable wrench. Don't over-tighten, but make sure it's snug. Put the handle back on and secure it with the screw you removed earlier. Carefully turn the water supply back on. Check for any leaks around the bonnet nut. Turn on the shower and test the temperature and water flow. Make sure everything is working correctly. And that's it. You've successfully replaced your Delta 1400 series shower cartridge. Congratulations. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more DIY tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.